Dear students, here I am going to upload financial statement related MCQs, especially trading and P&L account related most expected MCQs question and answers. Financial education and investment awareness. It's a new subject which your exam is going on MCQs base. I already covered theory parts during my offline class. Here it is only MCQ solution. Refer it. The first question is, which of the following are correct statement? The first statement, carriage inwards are debited to the trading account. Yes, this statement is correct one. Carriage inwards is a direct expense. It's debited to the trading account. We know the format, no? Debit, it appeared expenses. Credit, it appeared to the income or revenue. The second statement, interest paid is debited to P&L account. Interest paid is also be expense which appeared in P&L account, especially debit side. So this statement is also be correct. Third statement, amount of rent paid is shown on the debit side of the P&L account. Rent paid, it is also be expense, which one is not related to the trading, manufacturing one. On that reasons, it appeared in P&L account only. So this statement is also B. Especially this expense is appeared debit side of the P&L account. So this statement is also the correct one. So the fourth option is the correct one. All of the above option is correct it is. The second MCQs, when you prepare final accounts, where will you transfer bad debts recovered account? Only bad debts if it is given that then it is a expense, then it is a transfer to the P&L account debit side. But bad debts recovered, it's a income, non-operating income. Non-operating income, it appeared P&L account of the credit side. So out of four option, the first option is correct one. P&L account. Especially it is debited. It's debited while preparing to the P&L account. Next question. The statement prepared to determine the profit or loss made by a business is called the, yeah, obviously it's a statement of profit or loss. Option 3 is a correct one. Statement of profit or loss. This statement is only determine the profit or loss made by a business or not. So option 3 is correct one. Next question. The statements prepared to indicate the profit and loss and financial position of a business are called. Options are trial balance, financial statement, bank reconciliation statement, all of the above. Here, option B, financial statement is correct one. Financial statement under trial balance it comes, P&L account, trading account it comes, P&L account it comes, balance sheet it also becomes. So, financial statement is prepared to indicate both profit and loss and financial position of the business. The next MCQs, profit and loss account shows the profit and loss account. It shows whether that company or business earning profit or loss. So the first option is correct one. Profit earned or loss suffered by a business. It shows profit and loss account. It shows the profit earned or loss suffered by a business. Next question. Expenses related to the sale of goods are shown in the, that one is profit and loss account. Sale of goods, profit and loss account. Only expenses related to the manufacturing, that expenses is only shown in the trading account itself. So after that, after manufacturing, in the time of duration of the time or during of the sales of goods, whatever expenses are occurred, that expenses are shown in the P&L account only. The next one, the credit side of the profit and loss account records indirect income. So debit side, indirect expenses are records. Credit side, indirect incomes are record. Here option A is correct one. Revenue expenses is recorded in the dash. So here options are trading account, P&L account, balance sheet, none of the above. Trading account under only manufacturing expenses are record or direct expenses are record. P&L account under revenue expenditures are record. Balance sheet under capital expenditures are record. So here option B is correct one. Suppose question capital expenditures is recorded in the dash. So the option is C is correct, balance sheet. But here question is revenue expenditure is recorded in the. So option B is correct one, profit and loss account. The next option, loss on sale of an old car is debited to the. B option, profit and loss account. Because it is not related to the manufacturing expense, it is a out of that means it is a non-operating expense. Indirect expense we can also be called. So loss on sale of an old car is debited to the P&L account. The profit and loss account reveal the options here. There is D option is correct one. The financial results of the business for a period. Profit and loss account it reveal the profit, whether that profit earned or loss. So it's a financial results. So D option is correct one. Excess of debit in the profit and loss account is known as a. It's a net loss because debit it represent expenses, credit it represents income. If excess of credit in the profit and loss, that one is a net profit. If it is excess of debit in the profit and loss account, that one is a net loss. The next question, net loss. Suppose P&L account close ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ suppose result net loss ಬಂದ್ರೆ net loss should be dash in the balance sheet. It is a carry forward to the balance sheet under the reserves and surplus, and it is a negative loss it is, so it should be deducted from capital. It should be deducted from capital itself uh, while preparing to the balance sheet. If it is profit, net profit ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆದ್ರೆ it should be carried forward in the balance sheet under the reserves and surplus. Especially it is treated like a surplus of the company. The next question, the excess of credit in the profit and loss account is known as a, the result is the net profit. Capital expenditure is a part of balance sheet. Revenue expenditure is a part of P&L account. Capital expenditure is part of balance sheet. Profit and loss account is prepared for the year by following the going concern concept. So under the account, some concept principles are also be followed. P&L account is always followed this going concern concept it is. This financial statement indicate the revenue and expenses of the business for a period. Income statement. Income statement or we can also be called like a profit and loss account. Both and same it is. P&L account ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನ income statement ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Only revenue expenses are here recorded debit side of the P&L account. So this is all about expected first part of expected MCQs regarding to the trading and P&L account. Thank you for watching.